Hi, it's Niki Jabbour for Kent Building Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to create a gorgeous winter planter. But first, I want to stress that this is a DIY project for anyone. You don't have to be a professional floral designer to create a beautiful planter for your front porch. All right, let me start with showing you the supplies that I've gathered. I stopped by my Kent Building Supplies to pick up all the elements I need to create my planter. First, I have a pot, and this pot is filled with, well, old potting mix. I just used the old soil from my summer planters, leaving it in the container, and that's what I'm going to use to anchor this arrangement. Now you can also fill it with sand or just garden soil as well, and after I fill it, I usually water it, so that way when the temperature drops and it freezes, it's going to hold the arrangement in place all winter long. The main component of my planter is going to be greenery. You can use any that you like, and I like to mix and match several different types, like balsam fir, pine, and spruce for plenty of texture. You'll also want to include some decorative accents in your planter, like branches, and you can use sparkly ones like this, or dogwood branches or birch. They add a lot of vertical interest. Berries, of course, add a pop of color, and pine cones a natural touch. Once you're ready to create your arrangement, I like to start with the tall centerpiece in the pot, and for me that's going to be these beautiful sparkly branches. They're going to add a lovely vertical element to my planter. So I'm going to start by adding these in the middle of my planter, pushing them down very firmly so they're nice and anchored. There we go. And once those are in and are straight, you can start to take your greenery to build different layers around the branches. Let me get started. As you fill your planter with the stems of cut greenery, be sure to push the ends of the branches into the soil to anchor them against winter storms and winter winds. Continue to layer the different types and sizes of greenery all around your planter until it's lush and full. Then comes the fun part. You can add the decorative accents.